Welcome to QizArena, the quiz capital of basically the whole world.
Hello guys, welcome to the QizArena Academy. This is a getting started video tutorial, and in this video tutorial I will be covering the fundamentals of the QizArena project. There is so much to say about the QizArena project, but for the sake of making this video tutorial as brief as possible, although containing at the same time, we will have to stick to the following items. Item number 1, the QizArena official website. Item number 2, getting the Android app. Item number 3, the QizArena web version. Item number 4, how to register on QizArena. Item number 5, logging in to your QizArena user account. And item number 6, resetting your forgotten password. So that will be all we will be covering in this getting started video tutorial. So we're going to be taking item number 1, the QizArena official website. After launching your browser, type www.QizArena.com into the address bar and search. This will navigate you to the QizArena official website, like so, where you could have access to every information you need to know about the QizArena project, like the about, the getting started, the affiliate programs, the features, and you could also sign up on QizArena from the QizArena official website. You can also log in to QizArena from the QizArena official website. Item number 2, getting the Android app. QizArena comes as an Android application and also as an iOS application for iPhone users. To get the QizArena app, Android app, you type https app.QizArena.com. This will automatically download the QizArena Android app to your Android platform, so you could install it. Item number 3, the QizArena web version. For those of us that might not want to download the Android application or the iOS application, QizArena also makes available a web version accessible via this address, web.QizArena.com. So you could access it via your browser by typing the URL web.QizArena.com directly into your browser, and you have access to every feature that is available on the Android app from your web browser. Moving over to item number 4, how to register on the QizArena project. In this section of getting started video tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you on how to set up a QizArena user account, and it is really simple. I'm using the web version of the QizArena project, accessible via your browser at web.QizArena.com. If you input that into your browser, you're going to see this interface, like so. I want you to note this hamburger menu over here. When you tap on it, it's going to reveal a list of menu items, which are the home, the register, and the link. For the purpose of the item we're trading right now, we are looking at how to register on the QizArena project. So you tap the register link and wait for it to load the registration form, like so. So on the basic, the registration form is where you will be providing some basic profile information about yourself into the form and submit it to the QizArena database. The information required from you on the basic is your resident country, your resident state, your time zone, your name, your phone number, your email, your password, and your repeat password for authenticity's sake. And having provided all of that, it is really important that you go through the QizArena terms of service before you proceed to signing up. So I'm just going to fill this form with really basic random profile information for the purpose of this demo. Okay, I have successfully filled in the registration form with some random profile information, and I will be submitting it to complete the registration process. I'd like for you to note the network activity bar over here that is loading while waiting for the form to submit. Okay, on successful submit, we get this message here that tells us that our registration was complete, and right now it is redirecting us to the login page where you can log into your QizArena user dashboard. So item number 4 is logging into your QizArena user account, and from the menu we could see that from the menu as well. Here we tap here to get us to this form, assuming you are coming in from the home page. You could just from the hamburger menu tapping on the login link over there and redirect us to the login page where you are expected to provide your email address and your password, and then you tap the login button to log you in to authenticate your access credential and then redirect you to the user's dashboard. So we registered James Bondi at gmail.com. So we are going to take a look at how to log James Bondi in. So I'm going to provide this email, James Bondi at gmail.com, and then I input his password and I hit the login button to authenticate the email and password combination. So in summary, I'd like you to know that to log in to the QizArena user dashboard, you have to provide your email, your registered email address, and your password. So those are the combinations that are required for you to log in. So I'm just going to proceed and tap this login button like so, and wait for it to authenticate. So now that we are actually authenticated, I redirected to the QizArena user account, user dashboard, where we could see some bunch of stuff like the QCast, the quiz vendors, and this and this and this other thing and this other thing and this other thing here, and that is all there is to logging into your QizArena user account. So I'm really delighted that you've taken the time to go through this getting started video tutorial. And one other thing we'd like to show you before we completely close this session is how to recover your forgotten password. Okay, the last thing we want to show you is how to recover your forgotten password, assuming you, for reasons whatsoever, cannot remember your password to your QizArena user account. QizArena provides the functionality that enables you to recover your password seamlessly. Remember, we're still using the QizArena Project Web View version, which is basically the same thing on the Android app and the iOS app. From the hamburger menu, to recover our password, we need to come to the login interface, and we have this button here, reset password. So clicking this button is going to ask us to provide, or is going to ask you to provide your registered email address into this field. So what that means is that for you to reset your password, you need to provide your registered email address on the QizArena. So we're resetting our password for James Bondi, BON at gmail.com, and then I hit the reset password button again. Note, I provide just my email address. There's no need to provide the password since basically you've forgotten it. And with this email address here, we tap the reset password button, and then it asks us to confirm access credential reset, which we are going to tap the OK button right now and note the network activity, and then you wait for it, and then it gives us this message, request sent. An email has been sent to you follow the instructions therein to complete the operation. So to reset or to recover your password, what you need to do is provide your registered email address and then use the reset button like so. Having done that, a password reset email will be sent to you. So what you have to do is to go check your email for the password reset instructions. Okay, I am in my email. So I got this mail from QizArena. Hello James Bondi Jr. We receive an access credential update request from your registered email address. If you did not make this request, please ignore this email, else click on the link below to initiate access credential reset program. So clicking on this link here is going to reset my access credential. So since for the purpose of this tutorial I want to show you how to recover your password in cases or instances where you are unable to access it. So I click on that link, I wait for it to load in my browser like so. So I clicked on the reset password link which was sent to my email address, and it opens up this page in my browser from QizArena telling me your access credential has been reset successfully. Check your email for new temporary credential. Use temporary access credential to log into your portal, then change it to something else secret to you. So what that means is that QizArena has reset my password and also sent another email to me containing a temporary password which I am to use for my login, and thereafter change it to something secret to me. So I'm going to proceed to my mail to check the temporary password email that has been sent to me. Okay, here I am in my inbox. QizArena account security, your temporary access credential is the email subject. I get this message: hello James Bondi Jr., your access credential has been reset successfully. Your temporary password is this. Note: change this temporary password to something secret to you after you have used it to log into your account. Best wishes. Okay, so this is what we need to complete our password recovery process. So I'm going to copy this code here, and then I go back to my QizArena like so, and then I paste the new temporary password that has been given to me, and I use that to log in. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch the QizArena getting started video tutorial. We have other video tutorials we will be running, so we'd like you to check the QizArena Academy to learn as much as you can about the QizArena project.